Hello, my little friends. Hope all of you are doing very good. So, welcome back to my channel. And what we will learn today? We will learn today articles. Okay, the topic articles is mostly taught in class 1. So, there are three main articles. Now you will say why ma'am has written two articles and an A. There is another article which is the, but we will not learn the for the time being. Okay, in higher classes when we will learn higher English grammar, then another article we will learn that also, that is the. But for class 1 students, you just have to know two articles, an, or, and a. So an. So which fruit is beside an? I have drawn a fruit. See? It's an orange. And what I have drawn beside a? It's a box. There is reason to draw this because always remember an and a denotes a single thing, one. An egg, an apple, and a box, a toy, a house. That is how many? One. An is also one and a is also one. But there is a difference where we will put an and where we will put a. We will put an before the noun or the words that starts with a vowel. An apple. Apple starts with letter A and we all know that A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. And if a word starts with any of these vowels, you will put an before it. On the other hand, if a word, specifically a noun, begins with a consonant. What is a consonant? The letters which are not vowels. Those are the consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J. The letters which are not consonants are the vowels. So any words which starts with any of these letters, it is a consonant. So before that word, we will place a book, a pencil, a bottle, a toy, a tree. So all these letters starts with a consonant. They are not starting with vowels. Understood? Now let us do a worksheet with this. What is written? Read the instruction. In the instruction, it's written, fill in the blanks with correct articles. So we will be doing two articles, a and an. See, the first one, dash pot. So what is P? P is a consonant. So what I will write here? A pot or an pot? I will write here a pot, because before a consonant we will write a. Which article we will write? We will write a or a. Dash gun. G is a consonant, children. So what I will write here? We will write a gun. See, elf. E. We know E is a vowel. So what I will write before elf? Starting letter is vowel. So I will write here an elf. Next is ant. Starts with the letter A and A is a vowel. So what I will write here? An ant. Pan. Pan starts with the letter P. P is a consonant. So what I will write? I will write here a pan. Next, nose starts with the letter N and we all know N is a consonant. So what will be here? What I will write here? A nose. Okay, next, book. B is a consonant. What I will write? I will write here a book. Cup. C is a consonant. Here also I will write a cup. Donut. D is a consonant. I will write a donut. Can. C is a consonant. I will write a can. Cap. Again, it's a consonant. A cap. Kite. K. K is a consonant. So I will write here a kite. So we have got only two words that starts with the vowel elf and ant. So, and the rest are the consonants. So before elf and ant, you can see it's an elf, an ant. If I give you few more examples. Wait. If I write here dash orange, and dash ice cream. If I write here ice cream, so what I will write? A or an? See, orange. Orange is a what? Orange is a vowel, not a consonant. Ice cream, I. I is a vowel. So what I will write? An orange. An ice cream. Understood, children? So just remember the word starting with O, before that we will place, the word starting with vowel, before that we will place an, and those words which starts with consonants, that is the letters which are not vowels, if the word starts with those letters, we will write A before it. Just you have to remember this. Okay, children, we will be practicing worksheets on A and an. Later on, many worksheets I will be sharing with you in the upcoming classes. So you can practice and make your concept very much clear. So hope you all have understand and liked my video. If you like it, hit a like, and if you want such more videos you will get in my channel, you have to subscribe my channel for that. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Have a great day ahead. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.